we are going to move on to hidden treasure number 4, which is the record title. Now, for this one, we are going to go right here to our museum loans table, and let's pick a museum loan record. Doesn't matter whichever one you want. I'm just going to click the first one that's listed here. Now at the top of your record, it says museum loan number 15. It's okay, right? Right now it's saying it's number 15 because that's our record ID. It's okay, but it's not very descriptive of what we're looking at, right? So something here that might be a little bit more descriptive would be a concatenation of maybe the museum that it's at, what the treasure is, and when it's due. So we can actually change this here to a custom record title. Now, it doesn't have to be a concatenation field, but that's what we did. You could just change it to 1. You know, if you're on your treasures and you want your record title to be the name of your treasure, you could absolutely do that. We are going to go into the table settings. Once you access the table settings, we're going to go to advanced settings in the bottom left. If you scroll down under identifying records, it wants to know what you want your record title to be. Right now, it's our key field, which is our record ID. Not great, but it could be better. I want to change it to our field called record title, which has our concatenation in it. Pick your field that you want to reflect in that title, click save. Let's go ahead and take a look at another museum loan. And now you can see that we have a custom record title up here.